Have you ever wondered about the hidden beauty that lies beneath the surface of the world around us? Today, we're diving into a realm unseen by the naked eye, where the intricate geometry of nature comes alive under the microscope. Prepare to be amazed by the stunning patterns and forms that shape our world. From the tiniest organisms to the grandest structures, at the heart of this hidden world lies geometry. It's the language of shapes, the organization of space, and the fundamental principle that governs the creation of nearly everything in nature. Think about the perfect spirals of a seashell, the hexagonal symmetry of a honeycomb, or the branching patterns of a tree. These aren't random occurrences. They're expressions of underlying geometric principles. When we peer into this world with a microscope, we're essentially unveiling this hidden geometry. The microscope acts as a window, allowing us to see the intricate details that would otherwise remain invisible. It reveals the complex structures and patterns that are the building blocks of life. Let's start with the microscopic world of plants. Under the microscope, a leaf transforms into a breathtaking landscape of cells, each with its own unique shape and structure. We see the orderly arrangement of cells, the intricate veins that transport nutrients, and the pores that allow for gas exchange. It's a testament to the elegant efficiency of nature's design. Next, let's explore the world of microorganisms. These tiny life forms, like bacteria and algae, exhibit a diverse array of geometric shapes. Some are spherical, others rod-shaped, and still others spiral. Each shape serves a specific purpose, whether it's for movement, nutrient uptake, or protection. These forms, too, are determined by the laws of physics and chemistry, resulting in the beautiful and efficient structures we observe. Even in the inanimate world, geometry reigns supreme. Take a look at crystals, for example. Under the microscope, we can see the perfect geometric arrangements of atoms and molecules that create these stunning structures. From the sharp angles of a quartz crystal to the delicate layers of a snowflake, the microscope reveals the underlying order and beauty of these formations. Observing nature through a microscope isn't just about seeing pretty pictures. It's about understanding the fundamental principles that govern our world. It's about appreciating the elegance, efficiency, and beauty of nature's design. It's about recognizing that the universe is governed by a set of rules, and that these rules manifest in the shapes and patterns we see all around us. So the next time you have a chance, take a closer look at the world around you. Whether you're peering through a microscope or simply observing the patterns in your everyday life, you might just be surprised by the hidden geometry that's waiting to be discovered.